few years previous to that, I switched positions with Campbell Soup. I went into the management side of the business, and I was encouraged by my boss at the time to pursue a little education on the business side. And raising a family at the time and working full time, I needed somewhere I could go that was very flexible and very affordable, and Northwest State fit that. Prior to switching, I was a journeyman maintenance technician for the company, and so my technical skills were adequate for the position at the time, but I lacked the business skills. Okay, so I went to Northwest State approximately 18 years after high school. So it was quite a period of time had lapsed. So I did have to take a few classes to get me up to speed, which was expected. It was very good experience, in fact, that I could schedule classes around my work schedule and my life schedule. We had students that were directly out of high school, some in their last year of high school, all the way to people that are retired. I think it made the classroom experience much better in the fact that you have a lot of perspectives on topics, especially on the business side, where you studied some of the human resources structure and dealing with employees, how to handle situations. You got a lot of different perspectives. So on that side, again, through this course of study, some of the general education classes, the composition was a big help. Public speaking was part of one of my electives that I took, as well as the accounting, business math, things like that, that got me more prepared to be a manager and to be able to manage budgets and understand budgeting processes. What I'm up to now is I am a equipment reliability specialist for our world headquarters office out of Camden, New Jersey. And I'm specific to can seaming and sterilization of our products, all the equipment related to that. So I travel to all of our plants and support them on their asset health and maintenance of the equipment. I work with our project engineering group on upgrading or installing new equipment, and with our packaging engineering teams that develop our containers and new shapes, sizes, materials. Just an overall check on the process between corporate engineering and the plants, and I kind of the go-between person to make sure everything gets communicated. I like best about my job, one is it's a field of choice. I mean, I've always liked working on things hands-on, but I've also enjoyed being involved in all aspects of project planning from the development stage through finishing and completing the project. I get to experience a lot of things across the United States because I do travel a lot, and I get to meet a lot of new people and talk to a lot of people, even strangers I don't know. So you get a lot of views and a different outlook sometimes on topics. You're not as narrowly focused on one particular view of any topic, just running into people and talking to them. Yeah, I think that the Northwest State, or any community college for that matter, is a great opportunity for someone that's looking to continue their education or to change their field or just enjoy education. I like history, so I really enjoy one of my electives out there is in history. It was a good experience, and it's affordable, and it has a very flexible schedule, and they were good to work with.